punters, here I am back in Bangkok again. Yep, back in trusty old Sukhumvit, the place I said I would not stay again. I'm staying again. A different part of Sukhumvit, but away from the other area. Now I'm down there, sort of more Soi 30-ish, and I'm about to just go for a walk. I've been here for a couple of days, becoming just acclimated again before I busted out the camera. I thought I'll just head for a walk, go have something to eat, maybe go have some breakfast, some sticky rice and mango or something, or a bowl of soup. Yeah, and just see what the day brings. So I'm just going to chill. I'm actually heading out of Bangkok tomorrow and going to a place called Hua Hin. So, been a while since I've been to Hua Hin, so I'd like to spend a few days there. I'll probably spend New Year's night there. Yeah, and that's it for now. So a lovely pork, egg noodle soup for breakfast. Fuck yeah. Yum, that's so good. I thought I'd have a bit of a change of pace and go have a walk to Lumphini Park, somewhere I haven't been in quite some time. So I have to find where it is. Got off at Lumphini MRT, but it's around here somewhere. Let's go find it. Okay, so I finally found it. I was across the road walking parallel to it, which also has some sort of a park there. So I was just confused why I couldn't enter. But this looks more like the place. Go for a nice amble. I haven't been drinking much since I've been in Bangkok, which is a change, which is a promise I made to myself. Except for the first night that I arrived and I met some crazy Dutch guy. And he decided at 2 a.m. he wanted to go halves in the big bottle of Samsung. in the nightclub. So we finished the bottle at around 4, and then he proceeds to tell me he had a flight at 6 a.m. to go to Krabi. Something tells me he didn't make his flight. He was optimistic he would, but I don't think he was. I don't think he was able to make his flight. Like, I felt pretty wrecked when I woke up. So God knows he would have been messy on the plane if he somehow made it. Even if time allowed, he would have been very ill. Oh well, these are the people you meet. And I haven't been drunk since. Tried to have a different change of direction this trip and not consume so much alcohol. And just sort of amble around and relax. That could possibly change. When I'm laying on the beach chair in the hot sun and someone comes around and asks if I want a beer, and then that turns into 3 or 4. But whatever, right? I'm on holiday. What the fuck?
Ôi quá trời
âm đi cô bài hoàng đi các âm đi cùng bọc hết chi rồi cùng đi
hỏi cứ cà phê kinh man.
Playing some sort of a Chinese game. There's Chinese characters on the little pieces and on the bit of paper that they're moving. Probably a bit of light gambling going on. Knowing that generation, can't help but gamble. Whatever they're into, man. Whatever floats their boat. It's nice to get away from a bit of crazy circumvent. Have a bit of peace and quiet. Like I said, I'm having a bit of a change of pace with this trip. Not so party orientated. Well, that's what I say now. We'll see. Sometimes I just can't help myself. Get into a rhythm, get into a groove, and then one thing leads to another, and it's 3 a.m. But it's not my goal, it's not my aim. Not like last time. I actually wanted to go out and go to those different towns in the sun and party it up and see what they were like. See how the Asanis partied up in each individual town. But we'll see how my trip plans out. Like a lizard. It's massive. I think there's bigger ones here though. I think there's ones like 3 times the size of that, or I remember seeing them like 3 times the size of that anyway. There's another one walking.
What are you doing, step bro?